Hi all, and welcome to another video from Ms. Robbie's classroom. I'm your teacher advisor, Ms. Robbie, and today we will have another video on our series of the self-learning home tasks for the second quarter in English 7. For this clip, you will need the English 7 home task for week 2, some pieces of bond paper for your outputs, and a pen. Pay attention when you hear the bell sound. That means you may need to pause the video in order to do the task given. Then resume the video once you're done. And remember to work on your own. No problem in asking for help from others as long as you did all the work. So our goals at the end of this clip is that you'll be able to use a search engine like Google to search for given topics, research information through websites and other sources, write a report on given topics that were searched online, and express your appreciation of the technological advancement. And so with that, let's talk about navigating a website. Web navigation refers to the process of navigating a network of information resources in the World Wide Web, which is organized as hypertext or hypermedia. The user interface that is used to do so is called the web browser. The World Wide Web, or WWW, commonly known as the web, is an information system where documents and other web resources are identified by Uniform Resource Locators, or URLs, which may be interlinked by hypertext and are accessible over the internet. Hypertext is text displayed on a computer display or other electronic devices with references to other text that the reader can immediately access. Hypertext documents are interconnected by hyperlinks, which are typically activated by a mouse click, key press set, or by touching the screen. Hypermedia, an extension of the term hypertext, is a non-linear medium of instruction that includes graphic, audio, video, plain text, and hyperlinks. The World Wide Web is a classic example of hypermedia, whereas a non-interactive cinema presentation is an example of standard multimedia due to the absence of hyperlinks. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the page on the user's device. Now let's apply what you just learned by doing some exercises. Go to page 2 of your home task. The following are steps in creating a Google account. Arrange them in correct order by writing 1 to 6. Ask assistance from anybody in your family who already has the Google account. Are you ready? Let's go! It's checking time. Let's see if you got your answers correctly. Check your own work. The following are steps in creating a Google account. Arrange them in correct order by writing 1 to 6. The first step will be to go to www.gmail.com. Click Create Account. The sign-up form will appear. Follow the directions and enter the required information. Review Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Click the checkbox, then click Next Step. Here you'll have an opportunity to set up recovery options. Recovery options are helpful if you forget your password or if someone tries to access your account. If you don't want to set up recovery options at this time, click Done. Your account will be created and the Google welcome page will appear. It's assessment time. Accomplish the given task. Choose which between the two applies to you. For those with gadgets with internet connectivity, navigate a website or link. Get information on why are strong typhoons in the Philippines. Write your findings or answers in a 5-sentence paragraph. Don't forget to indicate the source of the information. For those of you without gadgets or internet connectivity, interview a neighbor, relative, or friend on how helpful is navigating websites in terms of getting information. Ask him which sites are credible. Summarize his responses in a 5-sentence paragraph. Here is the criteria for rating. Your paper should state clear topic sentence presenting one main idea. Should employ consistent standard English usage, spelling, and punctuation. And should give thoughtful logical progression of supporting details or explanation. Are you ready to do this? Let's go! Enrichment Activities. Answer the following questions in your home task. What are sources of information? Give examples of primary and secondary sources of information. Submit your self-learning home task to your teacher for checking. Now you're all set for Lesson 4. Until next time, this is your teacher advisor, Ms. Robbie. Happy studying, guys!